Shadow aspects to watch. When Aladaya's energy becomes distorted, we might experience materialism disconnected from spiritual purpose, hoarding resources from fear of lack, pursuing forbidden knowledge for personal power, spiritual bypass of practical responsibilities, entitlement to abundance without aligned action, using manifestation solely for selfish purposes, imbalance between receiving and giving. My personal Aladaya story. After dedicating years to spiritual practice, I found myself in a profound financial crisis. Despite all my meditation and prayer, I couldn't manifest basic stability, creating a crisis of faith in spiritual principles. During a particularly dark night, questioning everything I'd learned about abundance, I turned to the 72 angels in desperation,